Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to undo reconciliations in QuickBooks. Undoing a reconciliation in QuickBooks is useful if you've made a mistake or you need to recheck transactions. So first on QuickBooks Online, if you want to do this, just go to Accounting and then select Reconcile. Now you're going to click the History by Accounts link. Then select the account and reconciliation period that you want to undo. Click View Reports to confirm the transaction, and then open each reconciled transaction, uncheck the R in the checkmark column and save, and then rerun reconciliation whenever you're ready. For QuickBooks Desktop, that's the accounted edition, go to Banking, Reconcile, and then click the Undo Last Reconciliation button, confirm, and QuickBooks will reverse the reconciliation. For QuickBooks Desktop, the non-accountant version, you can manually uncheck the R for each reconciled transaction in the register. This effectively removes reconciliation without full undo. A pro tip is to always print or save a copy of the original reconciliation report before undoing it for record keeping. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.